Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Azizah, and I'm from Polytechnic Negeri Medan, and I'm in class MRKY 6B. Today, I want to tell you about how concrete mixer works. Well, before we jump into the proper step needed to operate a concrete mixer, let's take a moment to understand how these units operate in the first place. In a sense, these mixers consist of a frame which include an electric motor and a large metal drum with a circular opening. When these units are plugged in, the drum spinning at a set speed. This allows concrete to be mixed within that drum while also keeping mixed concrete from starting while drum is in motion. And then, besides that, do you know there is parts of concrete mixer that have five parts of? That is first, drum. It is used to mix components, and the second, rollers. It is used to roll the drum, and the third, it is motor that it is operates the rollers, and the fourth, blast. It is mix the ingredients homogeneously and discharge it. And the last, panelist, that is fifth, that's gearbox. It is to control and rotation speed of drum. Now that you know how this machine works, let's take step by step at how to use one. That is, how does the concrete mixer work? Step first, gather materials and pour in initial water. Step 2, turn on and pour in a powder. Step 3, mix and add water if necessary. And the last step 4, that is dump contents and continue run. So that's all about my explain about how concrete mixer works. Thanks for all your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.